How to add dimension on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add dimension on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for dimension. In order to add dimension on your Trust Wallet app, just simply toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Now click on dimension. You can see two options, send and receive. Simply click on receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive dimension from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add dimension on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.